Today's top 10 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. Oracle eBusiness Suite Flaw CVE 2026-46817, actively exploited in the wild. A critical security flaw in Oracle eBusiness Suite's Oracle payments, tracked as CVE 2026-46817, CVSS score 9.8, is being actively exploited in the wild, allowing unauthenticated attackers to take over susceptible instances. Patches were released by Oracle last month, but exploitation has already been observed on honeypots. Experts warn of the first documented case of agentic ransomware, dangerous jadePuffer attack run entirely by an LLM. Experts have identified the first documented case of agentic ransomware, dubbed jadePuffer, which was driven entirely by a large language model, LLM, rather than a human. The attack exploited a known vulnerability and targeted an Alibaba Nacos instance, removing data and overcoming challenges before phoning home regularly. The Steam Workshop is being used to spread malware to thousands of users. Hackers have exploited Steam Workshop's wallpaper engine, spreading malware to thousands of users, primarily targeting Chinese players with customized artwork and titles. The malicious wallpapers, downloaded tens of thousands of times, hijack user accounts when installed. Weibo Leaker says iPhone 18 Pro thickness will be surprising. Weibo Leaker, Fixed Focus Digital reiterates claim that iPhone 18 Pro will be tomb thicker than its predecessor, citing supply chain feedback and leaked Tata images. The Gentleman RA-S uses GentleKiller EDR framework targeting 400 security processes. The Gentleman Ransomware as a Service operation is developing and distributing a suite of endpoint detection and response (EDR) killers centered around the GentleKiller framework to impair system defenses before deploying its encryptor. The group has quickly operationalized newly disclosed exploits and claimed 504 victims since emerging in March 2025, with most located in Southeast Asia, South America, and Western Europe. Here's what military-grade encryption really means. AES-256 is a widely used encryption standard, introduced in 2001 by the U.S. National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, which remains the federal standard for top-secret data in the United States. It is highly secure and has never been cracked, even by quantum computers. Threats Day, AI compute hijacking, Apple email flaw, Bluehammer ransomware plus 14 stories. AI compute hijacking and email flaws were exploited, while Bluehammer ransomware was detected, highlighting vulnerabilities in browsers, bots, sandboxes, and AI systems due to small permissions, weak checks, and open systems. Self-destructing Mystic backdoor linked to access broker selling corporate footholds to ransomware gangs. A self-destructing Mystic backdoor has been linked to an access broker selling corporate footholds to ransomware gangs, allowing unauthorized access to vulnerable organizations in the insurance, education, IT, and professional services sectors. Cybersecurity firm says it found the first documented case of AI agentic ransomware. Cybersecurity firm Sysdig reports finding the first documented case of agentic ransomware, dubbed jadePuffer, where a large language model orchestrated a complex attack. The AI-generated ransom note and organized execution demonstrate a lowered barrier to entry for future attacks, making extortion tradecraft more accessible and potentially increasing the risk of targeted ransomware attacks. Video quick take. The challenge of building high-performance cybersecurity teams sponsor content from THREATLOCKER. ThreatLocker's report highlights the difficulty in building high-performance cybersecurity teams, citing a lack of skilled professionals and inadequate training as key challenges. Thanks for watching, like and comment below. See you in the next update.